Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you are a hotel management student or hospitality background student and you are dreaming to work in the United States as a J1, so this is the video for you, because today I'm breaking down the step-by-step J1 visa process for hotel jobs in the United States. So stay tuned in the video. I'm gonna break down the full process. So step 1, understand what J1 visa is. So J1 visa is a non-immigrant cultural exchange visa. It allows international students and young professionals to gain practical experience in the United States, especially in the industries like hospitality and medical sector as well. And you will typically apply under categories like intern for recent students, and second is trainee, which is for the recent graduates or professional with experience. Step 2 is find a sponsor organization. So for applying J1 visa, you must go through a designated J1 visa sponsor, because they are responsible for placing you in a hotel or issuing you documents and for guiding you through the visa process and all. So they are responsible for everything and they are authorized from US government. So you have to find a authorized or designated J1 visa sponsor who is sponsoring you. So you have to find that. Here is step 3. Apply for your internship in the hotel. Once you have found your sponsor, then they will only help you to schedule your interview with their partner hotels or anything, resort, everything in the United States. So after that, they will conduct the interview with the hotels or resort if you are good fit or not. Then comes step 4, is a very important part. Get your DS-2019 form. If you are selected in your interview with your host organization, whichever is a hotel or resort, then your sponsor will issue you DS-2019 form, which you will need to book your visa interview at the US Embassy. So this is a very crucial documents. Basically it's a work permit that you can work in the United States with that form only. That's called DS-2019, which you also need in your while you are booking your embassy interview. Step 5, pay your service fee. So after that, you have to pay your service fee, which will cost you around $220 around. You have to pay through online. Here comes step 6, book your visa interview. So to book your visa interview, you have to fill DS-160 form. So you have to fill the form with all the documents you have. So fill that form very carefully, whichever you are filling there. Be prepared about that. They will gonna ask you from DS-160 form a lot things. Then schedule your interview for the whichever nearest US embassy you have, and bring all the documents you have, like your passport, DS-2019, DS-7002, which is your training plan, then your US interview appointment letter, and your offer letter, and your sponsor documents. Everything you have to carry at the time of the interview. So be mindful and be prepared about all the documents you need for your visa interview. So here comes the step 7, attend your visa interview. So this is a formal interview, so be confident, be honest, and be prepared to talk about your training plan, your career goals, your why you want to come back after your training plan. This all the most important thing you have to take care about, and you have to prepare about that. They will ask you why you want to go United States, why you are going to this country, why you are why you want to have internship in the US only. So be prepared about all these questions, and if your visa is approved, they will take your passport and your J1 visa will be stamped in your passport only. Step 8, be prepared to book your flight for the United States. So once your visa is approved, you have to book your flight and go to the United States, and you have to arrange your accommodation. Sometimes hotels do provide the accommodation, and sometimes you have to arrange by yourself. So be prepared of that as well. So after that you have to start your training or internship in the hotel in the United States. So that's it about step-by-step J1 visa process. If you find this video helpful, so give a thumbs up to the video, and if you have any question regarding this video, please comment below. And thank you for watching this video, and good luck with your J1 journey. Tada, bye bye. Thank you.